Stop. If you are still learning grammar to speak English fluently, then guys, you are just wasting your time. You learn rules, formulas, tenses, indefinite, continuous, perfect continuous, but when it's time to speak, your mind goes blank. You start translating, you get stuck, you feel nervous, and you start feeling that my grammar is weak. That's why I can't speak English. No, your grammar is not weak. Grammar is not your problem. As fluency is not about perfect sentences, it's about expressing your ideas without hesitation and without fear. Let me ask you one thing. Do you think about grammar when you speak in your native language? Or does a child learn grammar before speaking? No, he speaks first, grammar comes later. Hello English learners, welcome back to my channel Sonia English Academy, where we make English your identity as English today assures success tomorrow. So today I'm just going to tell you something very personal about my life, related to a misconception of grammar that if we want to improve our English, if we want to speak in English fluently, then we should learn grammar. And we keep on learning it all the time, thinking that we will become able to speak fluently. No. As fluency comes from speaking, not from learning grammar rules. I still remember the day when I was sitting in a room full of people. They all were speaking fluently, confidently, but I was silent. I knew rules, I knew tenses, I knew grammar, but I couldn't speak. My heart was beating fast, my mind was blank, and I failed to understand what was wrong with me. I wanted to speak. Words were ready in my mouth, but they denied to speak. I was ready. My mind was ready. All the rules of grammar were ready, but my mouth was not ready to speak even a single word. People were laughing, they were making fun of me. I was embarrassed. How shameful situation it was for me. I can't even express in words. I managed anyhow. I came home. I opened my grammar book. Present tense, past tense, future tense. I thought maybe I need more grammar. Then I studied more and more and more. But the result, still zero confidence, still fear, still silence. And I started doubting myself. Then one day something changed. I met a person. His English was not perfect. He made mistakes. But he was speaking non-stop, confidently, fearlessly, fluently. That shocked me. That how was that possible? How did he get fluency? How could he speak without perfect grammar? It was a mental block that was broken on that day, and I realized a truth that fluency is not about grammar. It's about courage, consistency, practice, and speaking again and again without hesitation. We don't become fluent by learning rules. We become fluent by using the language. So I made a decision. I will speak no matter what. Yes, I made mistakes. Yes, people judged me and I was embarrassed. But I didn't give up. I spoke continuously. I talked to myself. I described the things around. Obviously, in broken English initially, but gradually something magical happened. My fear reduced, my confidence increased, and my fluency improved. Now, let me tell you what actually works. Not theory, but reality. Speak first, learn later. Stop waiting to be perfect. Start speaking imperfectly today. Don't fear mistakes, they are your teachers. Every mistake is a progress. Even wrong sentence is one step closer to your fluency. If you are not making mistakes, you are not learning. They are the stepping stones. They are putting foundation of your confidence. Practice alone. You don't need anyone. You need courage, confidence, consistency, and passion. Don't wait for someone to come to help you. It's your life. your decision, your fluency, your journey, your passion. So do it alone without any other one. Think in English, don't translate, because it takes time. When you are about to speak, you think in Hindi, you think about rules, regulations, grammar, prepositions, articles, and you get confused in thinking all these things. You get stuck. Then you start feeling nervous, right? So don't translate. Just think direct in English. Copy real English. Watch YouTube videos, podcast, listen to the speakers. Copy their sentences, their speaking, their style, their tone, their voice modulation, their facial expression, each and everything detail wise. Do shadowing practice. This is how children learn. They don't learn grammar rules, they learn the language by imitating. So, my dear friends, if you keep focusing only on grammar, you will stay stuck forever. If you keep waiting for perfect grammar, you will never be able to speak it fluently. Speak today, not tomorrow. Tomorrow never comes. Speak with hesitation, speak with wrong words, speak with fear, speak with broken English, but speak anyhow, speak continuously, non-stop, right? As I know your pain. I can feel that. I also used to feel the same when I was unable. I didn't know how to speak fluently. I used to watch others speaking fluently and I also wanted to speak. I know the pain. And guys, if you are serious, then comment below. I'll speak from today onwards, right? And don't forget the fact that speakers are not perfect, they are fearless, right? Now, catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.